Hello everyone, my name is Monica and welcome to my first FabFitFun unboxing video. If you haven't heard of FabFitFun before, it is a seasonal box subscription containing 8 to 10 full-size beauty, fashion, fitness, and wellness products that you get 4 times a year, valued at over $200 per box. Each box is $49.99 for the seasonal subscription and $179.99 for the annual subscription. You can customize some items according to your needs and add on products for an additional cost of $10 to $15 each. Please stay tuned if you'd like to see the products I received in this box. First, I have a $15 off coupon code for a friend who would like to try FabFitFun for the first time, an $80 HelloFresh gift card, the FabFitFun magazine featuring Eva Longoria, spiritual gangster kimono in black, made of rayon fabric with comfortable pockets, 111 Skin Rose Gold Brightening Facial Treatment Mask. It contains 5 facial masks with rose gold, burn-free resistance bands. It has 3 different bands: light, medium, and heavy. FabFit TV Online has exercise videos specifically made for these bands. I Do Liquid Eyeliner Line and Enhance in black. Indulge Nutrients Refining Micro Polish. It is a plant-based micro polish. Generation Clay Ultraviolet Brightening Purple Clay Mask. Wish Powerful Effective Exfoliating Foot Mask. It is paraben-free, sulfate-free, DNT-free, chemical-free, and cruelty-free. Grace Entella Spray All Day. It's a rose hydrating facial spray. Smells just like a rose. And the last product in the box is the Invisibubble Traceless Hair Ring. It has 6 different elastic bands, just like so. And those are all the products that I have inside my FabFitFun box. If you are interested in joining, please click the link below in the description box to get $10 off your first box. Also, if you want to see how I sported my key sunglasses from my Spring 2019 box, click the link in the description box below. Thank you for watching.